In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating the 12th movement of the Lao Jia Yi Lu form, which is enfold and raised knee. This movement follows on from the previous movement, which was taking the oblique position. I'm going to be breaking the movement down for you bit by bit, along with demonstrating it at normal pace. Coming up. Hi, welcome back to Center Life Balance. My name's Colin, and on this channel we're sharing the best principles, practices and techniques for physical, mental and spiritual well-being. If that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing to the channel. In this video, I'm covering the 12th movement of the Lao Jia Yi Lu form, which is enfold and raised knee. So beginning from the end of the previous movement, which was taking the oblique position. So enfold and raised knee, we've got the weight is already forward on the left leg. We've got the left hand up in a hook with all fingers touching. Hand we've opened out, right hand palm facing forward and a little bit out. So from here, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to bend the knees, we're going to sink the weight down, and we're going to have a slight turn in the body as we go down. So we're coming down and then up we come. So let's look at that in a little bit more detail. So from this position, so from here, we've already got the weight forward. As we come down, we want to almost sit down. So we want to be sitting down as we come down with the hands. Now this position here is going to be quite hard on the legs, but the hands are down as if we're going to grab somebody's leg and pull it. Okay, so we're from here and we're going to sinking down, hands now open out in front, proportionate to the body, and then coming back up onto the right foot, sink down, toes touching down gently. Let's look at the movement now at normal pace. Let's look at the movement now together with the previous movement, which was taking the oblique position. That concludes this video, guys. What questions do you have about Tai Chi or the Tai Chi form? I'd love to hear your comments. Please post them below. Hit the like button if you're getting value out of this series, and I'll see you in the next video.